Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie oatmeal using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of your preferred liquid, like milk or water. Also, grab 1 medium apple, some brown sugar, cinnamon, and a small amount of butter. This combination creates a warm, comforting breakfast that tastes just like dessert. Now, let's get those apples ready. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Add your diced apple, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the apples become wonderfully tender. Stir them occasionally to ensure they cook evenly and don't stick to the pan. With your apples softened, it's time to cook the oatmeal. Add 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of your chosen liquid to the same saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats are creamy and have absorbed most of the liquid. You can add a splash more liquid if you prefer a thinner consistency. Your delicious apple pie oatmeal is now ready. Spoon the warm oatmeal into a bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of cinnamon, some chopped nuts, or even a drizzle of maple syrup. This easy method delivers a comforting and flavorful breakfast that's perfect for any morning. Enjoy your homemade apple pie oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.